Natural light has a remarkable impact on how your home feels and functions. Brighter rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and more enjoyable to spend time in, and for Pell City homeowners, one of the best ways to enhance natural light is by installing picture windows. With their expansive glass design and unobstructed views, picture windows can completely transform the look and atmosphere of your living spaces. If you're thinking about updating your windows or improving the lighting in your home, here's how picture windows can make a meaningful difference. Large glass panels bring in more sunlight. Picture windows are designed with a single, uninterrupted pane of glass, creating a wide opening that allows sunlight to pour into your home. Unlike double-hung or slider windows, which have multiple moving parts or divided glass sections, picture windows maximize the glass surface area. Benefits include brighter rooms throughout the day, reduced need for artificial lighting, a warm, cheerful atmosphere, sunlight that reaches deeper into the room because Pell City enjoys plenty of sunny days. Picture windows help you take full advantage of natural light. A clear, unobstructed view of the outdoors. One of the most appealing features of picture windows is their unobstructed view. With no grids, rails, or moving sashes, you get a full, open picture of the outdoors, almost like having a living work of art on your wall. Homeowners enjoy a seamless connection to nature, beautiful views of yards, trees, and landscapes, a more open and expansive feel in their living spaces, improved mood and relaxation from sunlight and scenery. This clear, unbroken view also increases the perception of space, making rooms feel larger and more open. Enhanced natural light supports energy efficiency. When more sunlight enters your Pell City home, you naturally rely less on lamps and overhead lighting during the day. Picture windows can help lower your electricity usage, especially in high-traffic areas like living rooms, dining rooms, and kitchens. Additionally, modern picture windows are built with energy-efficient glass options such as low-E coatings, double or triple pane insulated glass. Argon gas fills. These features allow sunlight to brighten your space while minimizing heat transfer. That means your home stays well lit without overheating in the summer. Better light distribution. For a balanced, comfortable home, picture windows help distribute natural light evenly across the room, reducing shadows and brightening dark corners. This even lighting can improve your home's overall comfort and make interior design choices stand out. This leads to a softer, more balanced glow, better visibility without glare, highlighted decor and architectural features, a more relaxing indoor environment. Whether you're reading, hosting guests, or simply relaxing, balanced natural light makes your home feel more enjoyable. A beautiful focal point that elevates home design. Picture windows aren't just functional, they're also highly attractive. Their sleek, modern appearance adds sophistication to any room and enhances curb appeal. Picture windows help your home stand out by creating a stunning interior focal point, adding symmetry and style to your exterior, enhancing both traditional and modern home designs, framing outdoor scenery like a piece of art. In Pell City neighborhoods, where curb appeal and home value matter, picture windows give your home a polished, updated look. A more connected indoor-outdoor living experience. Picture windows help bring the outdoors inside, creating a stronger sense of connection between your living space and your natural surroundings. This is especially appealing for homes with scenic yards, lake views, or lush greenery. Homeowners love the way picture windows make living spaces feel more open, enhance relaxation with outdoor views, offer year-round enjoyment of changing seasons, improve overall home atmosphere and well-being. This connection is one reason picture windows are so popular in family rooms and common areas. Final thoughts. Picture windows are one of the most effective ways to brighten your Pell City home and transform the way your living spaces feel. With their expansive glass design, clear outdoor views, and energy-efficient technology, they offer a powerful combination of beauty and performance. If you want a brighter, more open, and more inviting home, picture windows are a smart and stunning upgrade.